both gold and silver has seen a good recovery from the critical support levels at around 1830 and 2140. Failing to break those levels, we have seen a sharp bounce back. Now what is going to happen today, which position we can take, where to enter, where to exit, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Those who are interested into other markets and commodities including crude oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40 or Nifty 50, they can watch the other analysis as well. So do press the bell icon. The next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session. Now this is the hourly charts for gold, and you can clearly see there is a resistance now at 1850, which it is failing to break past by, and if it does, if it goes beyond 1850, go long there and you can take a position for 1855, 1861 and 1865 levels. In fact, beyond that it may rise strongly, but right now it appears it is trying to create a symmetry out there, and once it breaks past this zone at 1840, yes, there could be a sharper drop again on the downside. So yes, 1845 I'll be looking forward to. Below 1845 there is again 1842 and 1840 levels, and below that we may see a sharper drop. So rather wait for a dollar or more and try to initiate a short entry at around 1843-42 levels, and then again you can expect that it will continue the downward movement. Directional movement is bullish here on the hourly chart. The stochastic is looking downwards and it is appearing to be oversold, going to oversold zone. MACD is extremely overbought here. It is trying to converge and crossover, so I'll be watchful of that, and again it might enter into sell zone. The RSI is near to top, looking downwards. Similarly, if you look on the 2-hour charts, 1850 is the level I'll be watchful of. Beyond 1850, there is going to be a certain and definite rise. See, it is reversed from this trend and now trying to rise. However, look at this on the larger time frame. There is still possibility for it to rise till towards 1855, but I will be watchful of that. Only if it sustains beyond 1850, I'll recommend you to go long. The directional movement here is bullish on the 2-hour charts. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. The MACD is in buy side but trying to converge. The RSI is also looking downwards or sloping downwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see how beautifully it is confined within this channel, and here it is in the near term. See, this is the channel it is trying to trade in, and that is where the high at around 1850 is done, and now trying to trade with a drop. So again I'll be looking forward to 1845 zone. I think below that we can try to initiate a short entry, but it has got resistance is still 1840, around 1844, 42. There are a couple of minor resistances, but beyond that definitely it will try to drop again till towards 1836, 1830 levels, and below that we may see a good fall till towards 1824 levels. The directional movement is bearish here on the 3-hour charts. The stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over just 3 candles back here, and it is even started to begin to converge here. So trying to show that probably the bulls are not very much there. The RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, here is the resistance at 1850 levels, and similarly if it breaks past by 1850, I'll be looking forward to 1855-58 zone. Very clear, you can go long there. At the same time, here on the downside there is a support till 1840. I have told you that below 1845 levels, yes, you can initiate a short entry, but with very strict stop loss at 1850 levels, and probably then it might try to hit 1840 and 1830 levels. In fact, it can drop below these levels this time. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is converging and trying to cross over for a bullish move, but a couple of red candles and it will reverse completely. RSI is in sloping downwards, indicating little bit of bearishness. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs so far. Now it may try to give you lower lows. The support here at 1840 is going to give it a stronger support, and below that we may see it dropping sharp till towards 1830 and 524 zone. It is in the expanding triangle till now. Beyond 1850 there is a resistance at 1855. Very clear that beyond 1850 it is a good entry to go long at 1850, remember, but still it may try to get a resistance at around 1855 and 1858 levels. These two levels are definitely going to provide a stronger resistance for any further rise, but till the time it is below 1850 one can remain short for 1840, 1836 and 1830 levels. In fact, it can drop till towards 1824 levels. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is almost sloping down and it is trying to stabilize here. So possible that we are looking forward to sideways move for few days. It has to give a breakout either which ways. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, trying to cross over for a sell. Let's see if it does so. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, I'll recommend you to remain short with the stop loss at 1850. There is a stronger support somewhere in between first 1844-45 zone and then 1840-42 levels. If these two are taken, there is a sharper fall till towards 1836-1830 and then it may try to hit 1824-25 zone also. So yes, with the stop loss at 1850 one can remain short, but remember the stop loss has to be strictly at 1850. Beyond that we are going to go long, and beyond that you have to profit by trading long. We can expect 1855, 1858 zone, and beyond that it is a reversal in gold and it may try to head higher towards 1865-70 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. We have seen a good rise in silver, but remember it has failed to break past 2200 levels and reverse from 2199 itself. Since then it is trying to give you lower highs, and here is almost the double top which it has created on the hourly chart. Now there is a support here at 2180 levels, 2175 levels, and see, do not trade between 2175 and 85. That is very clear. Above and below, even in fact it may get a little resistance at 2190 and 2200. On the downside, once it breaks past 2175, there is a support at 2170, then 2160 and then 2150, 2140. Every 10 points there is a support till 2140 levels. Below that there is going to be extreme bearish. We have seen yesterday silver getting reversed from 2140 precisely. Directional movement is bullish here on the hourly charts. The stochastic is oversold on the hourly charts. That is one point we need to look at. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell position. The RSI is trading flat. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will observe that see lower highs and flat bottom. It is trying to create a pole and flag and possibly a breakout beyond 2185, or rather I will say 2190 will be a very good position to stay long in silver, and then we can expect 2205 levels, and in fact it can try to rise beyond those levels on silver today before it looks forward to any downward move. The directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge and RSI is trading flat. So RSI is not showing any strength there. And MACD is also looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see it is trying to create this pole and flag formation. And yes, any breakout below 2175 will be a good entry to go short, and a breakout beyond 2185, rather I will say 2190, will be a very good entry to go long there for 2200, and then it may try to hit 2205 and 2210 levels. Beyond that it will directly stop at 2220, 2240 levels. On the downside, breaking 2170, we can expect it to hit 2160, 2150 and 2140. See, these three levels are very important. I have always maintained this. Till 2140 there are stronger supports for silver there. Similarly, if you look at the directional movement is bearish, it is diverging. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is in buy side, it is trading flat and it may start to converge. The RSI is not showing any strength there either which ways, neither bearish nor bullish. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, lower highs, higher lows, trying to trade with this. Probably a good short entry between 2175 and 2185 levels should not be taken. Below 2175, yes, you can expect it to drop till towards 2170. Only breaking 2170, there is going to be a good fall can be expected, and above 2190 only we can expect a larger upward move. So yes, the larger no trade zone is between 2170 to 2190, and in between 2175 and 85 is strict no trade zone. Below 2175, yes, you can expect it to drop till 2170, which is going to provide a stronger support. On the upside, 2190 is going to provide a stronger resistance. So similarly, all the charts giving us the similar information. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD has just crossed over and it is trying to trade in green. I'll be watchful of that too. The RSI is trading flat without showing any strong moves here. Now look at the daily candle. On the daily candles, lower highs are seen here, and with that as lower high, see there is a support here at 2170 from the 20 period moving average. With that as support, it may try to trade in green probably, or with that as support, it may try to trade sideways. So in between 2170 and 2190, this appears to be a strict no trade zone. Below that, we may see it coming again till towards 2150, 2140 levels, and this time it can try to give you lower lows where it can try to hit 2120 levels. So I'll be cautious for that. The direction movement is bearish here. The stochastic is near to bottom. That is one observation on silver, that the stochastic is trading near to bottom there and it is trying to reverse. The MACD is trading in green and it is still bullish. It is trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, see, any point of day, any point of time throughout this day, go short at 2175 and expect it to drop till 2170, very strong support. Then 2160, 2150 and 2140 are the subsequent support levels. At see, when I say support levels, it means it can reverse any point of time from these levels. So you have to book profit out at each and every step of the here, and you can re-enter anytime if you see it trading in your direction. On the upside, if it breaks past 2185, you can expect 2190 and 2200. These two are strong support zones. Then 2205 and 2210, very strong resistance zone. Beyond that, it will fly till towards 2220 and 2240 levels. So take your positions accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.